Welcome to Kids Nursery TV.
Hey friends, come along, let's sing a happy song. Horsey and cow, so true, playing all day with you. In the meadow, bright and wide, Horsey trots and cow walk side by side. They jump, they run, they laugh and play, from morning sun to end of day. Horsey neighs, cow goes moo, together there's so much to do. Friendship sparkles, heart so bright, dancing in the sunlight. Horsey says, let's race to the stream. Cow giggles, yes! Let's chase our dream. Through the flowers, across the hill, playing together gives such a thrill. Horsey neighs, cow goes moo, together there's so much to do. Friendship sparkles, heart so bright, dancing in the sunlight. Sometimes it rains, pitter-patter drops, they splash in puddles, never wanted to stop. Sharing carrots, apples too, helping each other, me and you. Evening comes, the sky turns gold, stories of the day are told. Horsey nuzzles, cow says moo, good night friends, I love you too. Horsey neighs, cow goes moo, good night to me, good night to you. Stars above and moonlight gleam, dreaming of our friendship team. Neigh, moo, shh.
It's time to say goodbye. We had a fun day. See you again real soon.